done. So I want to share a story of Kamla in a small village in Kolhapur, Maharashtra. So she belongs to a farming background, and she grows the vegetables, and she goes to the market and sells weekly. So she wanted to deposit 500 rupees in a bank, and she opened 4 years back with under the scheme Jan Dhan Yojana. And she reaches to the nearest bank, which is 2 hours from her house. And she reaches the bank, and she comes to know that the bank is down with the server. She waits for 3 hours, and bank says, come back tomorrow. Kamla goes back home after the valleys and the mountains, and she's resting home waiting for tomorrow. Kamla wakes up again tomorrow morning. She walks 2 hours to the bank, and when she reaches the bank, the Aadhaar card was not linked. She was asked to come back again the next week. Kamla goes back home 2 hours down the line and comes back next week. At this time, Kamla is having the system up and running. But when the system was on and she deposited her 500 rupees, there was no one to tell her there is a micro insurance worth 2000 rupees. There is a crop pre-approved loan. There is a government subsidy. And looking at all this thing, she just left the bank. And she did not lose the trust, but the problem is there was no one to see her. A $1 billion bank with all the fancy technologies, with having AI integrated, is not able to see her. So the problem here is they built everything, but it was not for her. Keep Kamla in the mind, and we all are CEOs. We are coming across Kamlas every now and then. Are we able to solve our customers' problem? And I will give you 3 numbers. 70% of the digital transformation fails. It literally fails because they are not able to solve the customer problem. $2.3 billion of the investments in the technology is done in banking, and the customer satisfaction is just 27%. Kamla is sitting at 27%. So what have we achieved? What kind of scaling we have done? So the problem here is we are just picking up some another bank's vision, some another bank's blueprint, and some another bank's EA playbook. With this, we are able to solve another bank's problem and another bank's customer problem solution. We are not solving Kamla's problem and how we should give her the solutions. The solution is pretty simple: context. Are we able to recognize our customer and customer needs? Second, are we able to recognize the culture our company, our bank has? And technologies. What technologies are we loaded and how we can help in this environment? And there are 2 most important business questions. What is my enterprise supposed to achieve? What is my enterprise must achievable capabilities in the year end? If we are not able to answer these 2 questions in the business language, we are failing and writing another failure for digital transformation. So what's the solution? The solution is we need to listen to the customer. Yes, we need to listen to Kamla's problem, where she's coming from, what she's looking for, what are her needs, and how we can give her the maximum value. If we can value her agricultural background, we can give her more value in terms of insurance, loans, and subsidy, which is already given. But what actually happens here is that we are just able to decide, oh, this is a best feature, JP Morgan has decided, or this bank has decided, we'll implement it, failing to understand what Kamla needs and customer like Kamla wants in the phone. What it is required is Kamla should receive an WhatsApp message saying, Kamla ji, in her own regional language in Marathi, your pre-approved bank loan is done. it will take 30 seconds, that click on the button. But instead of that, she returns home with the frustration 2 hours back to her home. In the traditional banks, it takes 18 to 16 months to build this solution. In any fintechs, it takes 8 to 12 weeks to solve the problem. But are we able to solve Kamla's problem? No. The solution again lies with Kamla and her needs. And we need to build a system around the purpose, which should be a blueprint to serve the powerhouse. Now, what it is required for the world-class enterprise bank should have? It just have 3 solutions. Purpose, which has its vision and governance. Capabilities, how I can have and maximize the organization's capabilities to meet the needs of Kamla. And how I can have impact going with every tool, going with the scaling and the speed. With this, I will leave you a thought that have you thought how you can solve millions of Kamlas in today's age? Thank you.